welcome to another video. So in this video we will gonna talk about how to create a Google form. So you guys already know about the Google services. So there are many tons of applications. One of the best services by the Google is a Google form. You can create Google form. If you are an MBA or a business student or marketing, something like that, so Google form is really helpful for you guys. So nowadays everything becoming online. Students used to have a manual questionnaires, manually print the form and submit to the different people and ask them. So nowadays everything is online. Google makes this online platform for students and different companies. Let me show you how you can create your Google form.
So guys, so now we are on a screen right now. So as you can see, this is my Google account. So there are tons of applications, there are tons of services that are provided by Google. So one of the services, Google Form. You need to click Google Form. So as you click Google Form, you have a default 3 type templates provided by the Google Form. You can also select these t-shirt design and contact information or something like that. So we will create default. So as I created my own overseas Silk Road, as this is my project work, so I'm sharing my project work with you guys. So as I created the template, so you can add picture over here. You need to enter the title and description, and there are several options like that. You can create random questions like MCQs question, or you can select different types of question like different option 1, 2, 3 or A, B, C or something like that. So you can create short answer. There are different options. You can select the question like a short answer, MCQ, and you can check box or something. So that's how you can create. You have a multiple choice option or different option like A or B, or you can select question type. So you have a drop down menu. You can also select drop down menu, and you can also upload your image, your text or anything you want to upload. So that's how you can create paragraph, question, short answers. So every option is available. So if you are a marketing student or you are an MBA student, so this form, Google form, will help you. So this is the final output of a Google form. You can design according to your requirement. This is my final output. There are several options. You can create different options according to your need. Hope you guys like this video. So if you like this video, so please give the thumbs up.
Perfect.